Understanding budgeting, making every penny count. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into a word that's used quite frequently, especially in the world of finance: budgeting. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. Budgeting, in simple terms, refers to planning how to spend your money. Imagine you have a pie, and you have to divide this pie into different slices for different purposes. Each slice represents a portion of your money that you allocate for specific expenses. Just like you wouldn't want to run out of pie before everyone gets a slice, you wouldn't want to run out of money before all your needs are met. Budgeting is essential because it helps you avoid overspending. By allocating specific amounts to different expenses, you ensure you don't spend more than you have. Save money. When you budget, you can set aside a portion of your money for savings, ensuring future financial security. Reach financial goals. Want to buy a new phone? Go on a vacation? Budgeting helps you plan and save for these goals. Reduce financial stress. Knowing where your money is going gives a sense of control over your finances. To help you grasp the concept better, let's look at how budgeting can be used in sentences. 1. I'm budgeting $200 this month for groceries. 2. With proper budgeting, she managed to save enough for her dream vacation. 3. Their company is strict about budgeting and monitors all expenditures closely. While learning about budgeting, you might come across some related terms. Here are a few. Expense, the cost required for something. The money spent on something. Income, money that is earned from work, investments, or other sources. Savings, money that is set aside for future use instead of being spent. Debt, money that is owed or due to someone else. There you have it. Budgeting is all about planning and managing your money wisely. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and meaning of budgeting. Remember, a well-planned budget is the first step towards financial freedom. Happy budgeting, and see you in the next lesson.